How to delete playlist on YouTube. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete playlist on YouTube. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the YouTube app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the profile section, just scroll down and there just under the playlist section, you'll find different files. So here you can just select the playlist that you want to delete. And now here, once you're inside the playlist, you can just tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here from the drop down menu that appears, you can just tap on delete playlist and confirm your action by tapping on delete again. And that's it. That's how you can delete playlist on YouTube. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.